महिला के ऊपर अत्याचार करते हैं, जो धर्षण करते हैं, वो शेख शाहजहां जैसे क्रिमिनल के पक्षपातित्व करते हैं, जो दुर्नीति करते हैं, जो नौकरी चोरी करता है, वो पार्थो चटर्जी और जितना भी लोग चोरी किया है उसका बगल में उसका पक्षपातित्व करते हैं। और जो लोग घर में आग्नेयास्त्र, आर्म्स, एम्यूनिशन, आरडीएक्स जैसा भयानक चीज घर में रखते हैं, वो संदेशखाली शेख शाहजहां का गुंडा बाहिनी, उनका भी पक्षपातित्व करते हैं। तो ये कैसा महिला है, कैसा मुख्यमंत्री है?
Trouble seems to chase West Bengal CM Mamata Banerjee as the Lok Sabha polls are on. The CBI on Friday seized a huge amount of arms and ammunition that also includes foreign pistols and revolvers during searches at Sandesh Khali in the case related to violence against Enforcement Directorate officials during a search operation at the house of TMC strongman Sheikh Shahjahan, reports Diganta Guha from Kolkata. Following the attack on the probe agency officials by a mob of around 1,000 people, a deputy director of the agency had lodged a complaint with the superintendent of police, Basirhat. According to news agency ANI, the search is still going on. A 10-member CBI team looted a house at Serbia in Sandesh Khali that belonged to an aide of Shahjahan, Abu Talib Mullah. Shahjahan has been in the news since the alleged attack on Enforcement Directorate officials during a raid a few months back. He was at large for more than 50 days before he was arrested and is now in CBI custody. The CBI got the tip-off and immediately ordered commandos to seize the ammunition. Meanwhile, the West Bengal government will move the Supreme Court against the Calcutta High Court's decision to order a CBI probe against complaints of extortion, sexual assault and others. The Mamata Banerjee-run government has been in trouble after the Calcutta High Court declared null and void the government school recruitment, which had drawn a stir that has had the opposition BJP after her resignation. Ahead of the polls, the TMC dispensation, such accusations and controversies would put further trouble for Banerjee and her government. With already so many TMC leaders in jail, further arrests would add further salt on her wounds. It remains to be seen how much repercussions it had on the poll prospects so far as the TMC government is concerned. According to a TMC insider, such instances will put the party in trouble. The party will be answerable to even its own supporters who are doing its everything to make it count, he said. Political experts believe that setting or no setting, Banerjee is in trouble and this may exacerbate. But she is a fighter and can turn things around, said a retired professor, Satabdi Saha. BJP Rajya Sabha member Shamik Bhattacharya said the wave is against the TMC and everything is crystal clear. These elections, which have had their second phase in West Bengal on Friday, have had seen a lot of complaints and counter-complaints, and with the latest in Sandesh Khali, the TMC Supremo will have a lot to answer. Banerjee has been doing everything to defend herself, even attacking the judiciary, but to what extent she will be able to counter the allegations, it remains to be seen. Or is the so-called understanding between BJP and TMC can save the day for Banerjee?